like top 5 in the insurance sector. Consistently, we've been on a profit mode last 10 years. 40%, 38 to 40% year-on-year growth, and we have covered almost about 6 crore people across the world. And this slide, Simon, you want to? Simon, you're on mute.
No.
Simon, you're on mute.
Yeah, now.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually, to start from here, because you already know about Kotak Mahindra Bank. So Kotak Life, when we people invest, the best part of this product is we have got a settlement ratio of 99.5. Okay, that itself says that that customer, whoever is invested in Kotak, their 100% security is there for the settlement, because while buying they can buy, while settlement they have many things to be settled. So we are able to 99% to settle. That means we are able to give the highest percentage on the services point. And the next point, if we able to see here, they are in profitable from last 10 years in the same row. Okay, so that itself says very good sign for an investor to invest in Kotak Life Insurance. Covering 2.10 crore lives, Kotak Life has topped the loyalty chart. Okay, when we are seeing that another slide, it says that we are the top 5 private insurance company. Okay, and it itself give a very good what you call understanding that in the finance background, out of 30 companies that are in insurance industry today, we are able to do. And it is connected with that our Prime Minister also, where he was also talking about that going forward will be insurance industry will be moving. So we are already into number 5 categories, and our solvency ratio, if you are able to see that.
What is the sound there?
I don't know what sound is coming. From my laptop only it is?
No. Now it stopped.
It is stopped now. No, again it's coming. Something.
Then it is not my laptop because I have muted. That time also sound has come.
Okay, even I am muted. I mean, I also.
Okay, so solvency ratio, when we are talking about, sir, that we are in 308%, where IRDA mandate is 1.5. That means 1.5 times the investment what you do. That suppose that if you do investment of 10 lakh, so 1.5 times 15 lakh should be secure from the Kotak behalf of the investor. So that is called solvency ratio here, where we are able to give you 3 times. Okay, 3.08 times, it is 3 times. So that is 30 lakh on your investment of 10 lakh, we are securing for you. So you will be having a very big opportunity to trust this brand and have a complete security about your investment. Okay, and then when you see that this one more rows where our Indian flag is there, we are a 100% Indian company. So when IRDA started, they started with the cooperation with the foreign company and Indian company. There 100% our stake was high. It was into 76%, and the foreign company was into 24%. But we have met the break-even point, and we have become such a successful company. We have given back old mutual company stake, and we become 100% Indian insurance company. So today, if you see that whatever returns you are going to see, you are going to get it directly. There is no mediator, there is no third-party vendor here. This pure Indian insurance company. So these all things make our company investors to feel good factor, and they invest a quite lump sum amount because of this kind of thing. When we are coming for insurance, we understand insurance with the 2 terminology. One is that protection, and second is that long-term saving. When we talk about protection, 100% sir, protection, there is a thumb rule for the protection in Indian market that 15 times of their annual income should be secure. as today we are able to see that only 8% of Indian population has adequately financial protection. Though the data says that 24% is insurance customers are there, but complete that 15 time of their annual income, if we see, only 8% Indian population. So market gap is very big, and we can have many big business size of here. So we are able to see that this is how we are going forward. Long-term saving, when we see that people look for their future financial obligations like a child education and their marriage, retirement, assets, child assets, all those things come into this long-term saving. So people used to think that long-term saving means they used to go with insurance. So there is a two idea here behind that people will be looking for insurance. One is protection and one is long-term saving plan. But when we talk about long-term saving plan, we have got such a beautiful product in front of you. The product name is Kotak Smart Life. Though it got a long-term saving as well, it got a multiple savings also. That means the child, you take it, or child education, you take it, child upcoming, you take it, your young age, you take it, your retirement age, you take it. Anything you can plan here. Your travel, you can plan through this product. Your vacation, you can plan from this product, and it's got own flexibility to encash that cash. So when we see into this product, this is Kotak Smart Life. Key benefit of this product is you are getting a protection up to age of 75. We are talking the protection till the age of 75. Okay, and choice that of bonus option, cash payout and paid up. There are two options is there. What is cash payout? Cash payout is every year by default the bonus money will be keep coming to your bank account. Paid up is I decide what bonus I should receive from my policy account to my bank account. I will choose the bonus option from the first year. That means whichever option you will be able to choose, you are going to receive the bonus from the first year. And we talk about is a long-term saving plan. In a similar way, this also work as a short time also, and this will be useful for you to get a bonus from the first year itself. Okay, and we have got a different riders also in this product. So this is a brief about choose the bonus option 2, cash payout and paid up. Cash payout, if declare, is payable every year or month from the end of the first year policy till the end of the policy term. That means once you have taken a policy, if you declare cash payout, every year whatever return will be declared by company, it will be directly credited to your bank account. Paid up is cash bonus are utilized to purchase paid up additional, which will be keep accumulated throughout the policy term. It will also provide the flexibility to encash the cash value of accumulation paid up additional subject to the condition. That means there is a condition here. The condition is what we are able to see in the next page. The condition is that in cash, the cash value to accrue paid up additional is available in the required. The encashment will be available only from the second year. When we see cash payout first year onwards, but paid up second year onwards till the policy term. Encashment allowed to maximize of 6 times. That means every year you can withdraw 6 times. That is a maximum limit. So now you have withdrawn now, and after 1 month again you got an option. Then can I withdraw the money from my bonus account? The answer is yes, because we are giving till 6 times. The minimum amount of encashment they are saying that 10,000. 10,000 is the cap. Lesser than 10,000 you cannot encash. Okay, the balance paid up additional will be continued to participate in the future profit. So the balance money which we have withdrawn, suppose now I have got a bonus of 1 lakh and I had need a money of 70,000. So 30,000 remain there. The 30,000 will get compounding for the coming year future. And in this paid up additional, you are getting something interesting, paid up factor. Okay, when we talk about paid up factor, we have given a calculation for age group of 25 and below, and 35 and below till the 25, and 45 to below 35, and 55 to below 45. So this is the age category we have given here. So whoever taking the product in paid up, they are getting a 1.72756% as a paid up factor on bonus. This is not a bonus ROI return interest. This is on return on investment interest rate. That is a paid up factor. So this is the additional bonus. This will be added on your account. Now when we talk about this product for more understanding, this product gives us high return, high coverage, okay, how it is high coverage. Suppose now if I'm going for a 10 lakh as a premium, I'm going to receive 1.2 crore as a high coverage. So I invested only 10 lakh, but I'm going to receive 1.2 crore as a high coverage. Long-term saving, I have already shared with you. This product work for a 75 years protection, and the return start from the first year onwards. Okay, can be used as a short-term saving? Yes. As I said that first year, second year onwards, your return start. So you can use as a short-term saving as well. Full flexibility according to your needs you want. You can have a liquidity. Okay. Withdrawal, how many time you can withdrawal? In a year, 6 time I have already mentioned. Work like a money back plan, children education plan, child future asset creation you can do, pension plan you can do, compounding bonus, as I said, a paid up factor. It help you to get an inflation rate. Tax-free return, because entire returns are tax-free in India. This is a section called under section 1010D, and all the policy holder is getting a COVID-19 protection as well. So now we are coming to the summary of the product. We are taken an age group of 35 for understanding purpose, and we are taking the payment option 10 years. So though my product is for the 75 years, but I will be paying for 10 years, next 10 years. So how much I will be paying? I will be paying the amount of 1,08,000 rupees. This will be my premium. This will be paid by me next 10 years. My return start from the next year 2021. So what is my return against of my 1,08,490 rupees? My return says here 52,752 rupees. This cumulative wise, if I see that till the 10th year, my investment gets stopped. At 11th year onwards, I don't do any investment. On my 10th year return, if I see that I am getting 6,32,501 rupees. So if I compare that, as per understanding, 52,000 rupees was my bonus. To 52 into 10 years, if I say, it should become a 5,20,000, but here 1,00,000 gain is there, 1,10,000. But 1,10,000 is nothing but is a compounding bonus. That is your paid up factor. It starts from the first year itself. Apart from that, you are going to receive a 10 lakh sum assured. Okay. Apart from that, cumulative wise, we have taken a calculation of 35 years. So 40 years, our bonus calculation happened 40 lakhs, and plus terminal bonus will be paid up here. All put together, you are going to receive 70,83,197 rupees. This is your in a average calculation we are saying, sir, for understanding. This is how the product works, and everything is tax free here. And when we compare with the different returns in Indian market today, where Indian market people more love to deposit in FD and RD. So FD and RD rates, as we are saying for the last financial year, 6.5 and 6.3. Current rate is coming down because of COVID-19. Why we are able to say FD and RD we are better than that? Because still we are giving 8 to 10%. And if we are able to see post office return 7.1 and then PPF 8.2, mutual fund 8%, though it's a high risk, high gain kind of. But here we are seeing that our product is traditional product, and we are able to give you 8 to 10% return. Plus, we are giving you ATC benefit, 1010D benefit. And the third column, if you are seeing that none of the product is having a life cover, FD, RD, post office, PPF, MF. But we are able to give you 10 times life cover and increasing of life cover from the day one. Okay, every year it will be increasing. So this is the comparatively difference from the other return to our return. This is about our product, and we got additional rider, Kotak term benefit, accident death benefit, permanent disability benefit, Kotak life guarantee benefit, accident disability benefit, critical illness. Critical illness is one of the health rider type of, where we have taken care of top diseases like a heart attack, cardio, and brain tumor. All these riders will be working here. So this is the product presentation in front of you. So if you share with us